In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Chrome not loading pages when your internet is working just fine. This is a common issue that can be incredibly frustrating, but with a little guidance, we'll walk through some steps to get everything back up and running smoothly. So, let's dive right in. First, let's start with something simple, refreshing the page. Sometimes, the page might not load correctly the first time because of a temporary glitch. Simply click the refresh or reload button, which is usually located at the top of your browser, marked by a circular arrow icon. Try refreshing the page to see if that resolves the issue. If it doesn't, don't worry, we have more solutions to explore. Next, let's look at your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to the internet by checking your Wi-Fi or Ethernet status. Sometimes a strong signal can drop unexpectedly, so it's good to ensure you're properly connected. You can also test if your internet is working by opening another browser or trying a different device. If other devices are connected, it may not be an internet issue but rather something specific to Chrome. Now, let's consider clearing your browser cache and cookies. Over time, saved data can cause loading issues, so clearing this might help. To do this in Chrome, click on the 3 vertical dots in the upper right corner of your browser. From there, navigate to the More Tools option and then click on Clear Browsing Data. A window will pop up. Select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Ensure you set the time range to all time to cover everything. After this step, click on Clear Data and restart your browser. Another possible solution could be disabling extensions. Extensions can sometimes interfere with page loading. To disable them, click on the 3 dots in the upper right corner again, hover over More Tools, and click Extensions. Here you'll see a list of all installed extensions. You can toggle each one off individually to see if any of them are causing the issue. Lastly, you may want to consider resetting Chrome's settings to their original defaults. This is a broader approach that will reset Chrome back to how it was when first installed. To do this, go to the Settings menu again and select Advanced. Scroll to the bottom and find Restore Settings to their original defaults. Confirm by clicking Reset Settings. Applying these methods should help get Chrome loading pages properly again. Remember, even though Chrome is reliable, sometimes these fixes are necessary. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.